Hi guys, welcome to another video. So let's continue talking about arrays in Java. So let's create a array of numbers. Let me just change my keyboard to Portuguese. So let's create Portuguese, right? Portuguese. Here we go. Numbers equals new integer. New int. Let's create an array with eight elements. So we're gonna use a for loop to fill this array with elements. So for integer I equals 0, we're gonna do while I is less than 8, I plus plus, and numbers at index I equals I. Okay, so we're gonna fill this array, and now we're gonna use a second for loop to show or to display these numbers. So we're gonna do basically this, okay, 8, or you could do numbers dot length, I think. Yeah, let me see if we have this. Yeah, there is. You could also do this. And let's do system dot out dot print line numbers at index I. So we have the first loop in order to fill this array, and the second in order to show. Let's run it, and you guys should see the output here. So there you go, and you guys can see the output. So we're gonna use this length function, or actually property, to get the total number of elements of this array. Okay, so this was the video, guys. Hope you like it. See you guys next time.